This is the Birdie alarm in Aqua, and I'm going to show you what it sounds like. I've tested it a couple times, and my ears are still ringing, so I'm going to give you a warning. It works. Ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1. That's enough of that. It's loud. It's really loud. Good for anyone who maybe walks alone at night, is scared of parking garages, or you just kind of need that extra confidence. Yeah, check them out.